Hi, I'm Riccardo Verzella, Senior Associate at Andrean Partners Legal Counsel, Shanghai office. In the ever-evolving landscape of labor law, non-compete agreements are crucial for protecting business interests post-employment. Today, we'll provide a short overview on the specifics of non-compete agreements across China, India, Italy, and Vietnam. In China, non-compete agreements can be stipulated with senior managers, senior technicians, and employees with access to business secrets. These agreements must specify the scope, geographical limits, and duration, which can be up to 2 years following the termination of the employment. Employers must request enforcement of non-compete obligation by the end of the employment and provide monthly compensation. If no agreement on compensation exists, courts will follow guidelines where the compensation is often 30% of the employee's average monthly salary. In India, non-compete agreements post-employment are generally void under Section 27 of the India Contract Act. They are enforceable only during employment and must be reasonable to protect legitimate business interests. Post-employment non-compete clauses are typically unenforceable. As for Italy, Italy's non-compete agreements must meet specific criteria: written form, clear scope, and territory, and a maximum duration of 5 years for managers and 3 years for other employees. Compensation for non-compete obligation varies in relation to the scope of territorial and operational restrictions imposed on the employees. Payments can be concurrent with the salary or as a lump sum upon employment termination, as confirmed by recent case law from Cassation Court. Vietnam lacks instead specific statutory provision for non-compete agreements post-employment. These are generally governed by the Civil Code and are enforceable if they apply to key personnel who understand their rights and agree voluntarily. Employers must prove actual losses in case of breach, with compensation correlating to the quantified loss. This makes the enforcement of non-compete agreements challenging. Now, understanding the nuances of non-compete agreements across different countries can safeguard your business interests. Contact us today for expert advice on navigating this complex regulation. For more information, visit our website or contact us at info@andreapartners.com. Follow us for more legal insights.